Giving you guys a tour of the cage. I'm about to move, so it's about to get broken down right now. I got them separated. This side, my cocks. Got my hands on the other side, my son right here. Pretty big cage, but gotta break it down. Got some babies in there. With all my hens. That's where they could go into the flight cage. Water, food, nest bowls everywhere. Got some more babies under there. Got babies under here as well. I'm gonna miss this cage. It's big. It can hold, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22.
Is there any more boys in there, Dad?
22 pairs.
There's more boys in there.
Plus more, but I only had 22 at the time. Missed this cage. Should have been doing videos when I had this cage, but I was going through a couple things. Where you at? Where you at? I'm right there. That's King Cream right there. That's my boy, got that from T-Bone. Tyrone, Backyard Boogie, no drama. Let's see. Is that him? Yep. That's Dr. Chalk. Got that from G&G. Two of my prize cocks right there. This bad boy right here. Got that from Tyrone. T-Bone. 2 poles. Easy. Give you guys another update.